Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2016 GS 350 Executive Package in the atomic silver finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak comes with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include triple beam LED headlamps, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, front and rear park assist sensors, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, 18-way power adjustable front seats, traction control, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free audio controls, hands-free calling, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control with pre-collision system, multimedia display with navigation, Bluetooth audio and backup camera, Lexus premium audio system, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, drive mode select with Sport Plus, power sunroof, black interior, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.